Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Betha and you're watching Betha Fau. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how actually I make these artificial locks. So this is the fourth set that I am doing. I actually did the first colors that I did were color number 1 stroke 30, which I was actually rocking for most of the last year. Then the second set of color that I did was color number 1, and I actually did that for a client. The third color that I did was color number 1 stroke 33. I also did that for a client, and now I am doing another set for my 2024. And this set actually I'm going to be doing color 33. So I have done a number, and this is how they are turning out. They look pretty amazing. I need a bob length or around 12 inches of length because I want to keep these for a really long time. And the last set that I did, after the period that I actually stayed with them, which was around 8 months, during my wash day, I began to realize that they were a little bit heavy. Once they soaked in water, they tend to turn out to be a little bit heavy. So I am actually doing this little bit thinner or smaller, as you can see the size. And also I am doing little bit shorter so that I can just stay with them in for a longer while. And I actually wanted or expect to do at least 60 pieces. Sorry, 80 pieces. I actually need at least 80 pieces. So this is the hair that I'm working with. I have actually I bought this on Best Lady at actually around 370 shillings. It was actually one pack of lash hair. I'll show you a picture. It's actually fluffy kinky with the brand name Lash. So I actually bought this at 350 shillings, and I have just taken that one long braid, cut it into 2 pieces, and separate the 2 pieces into a half. So actually from each braid I was getting 4 pieces. So this the remaining pieces that I have, and I'm just trying to work my way through. And I need the whole of this hair. So I need the whole of this hair to just, you know, turn into artificial locks. So another thing that I actually want to show you guys is this is how the longer piece looks like. So it's pretty long. So what I ended up doing, I just fold it into two and cut this end to form a short piece like this. And then after that, I just went in with my fingers and fluff this out and just divide it by 2. So make sure you just fluff it properly out to avoid the tangles. So that's how I separate my hair. So oh my god. So this is the crochet hook needle or thing that I am using. Actually I bought this from Kilimall. It's number 0.5 millimeters. That's how it measures, and it has some pretty hooks at the end, and this just makes everything easy. So the first thing that I do, I take a piece and just begin at the end where I actually cut, and I work through towards the other end. So this is pretty much what I do. So whenever I feel that the lock thickness is so thin, I just go ahead and add a little strip of hair from hair that I haven't crocheted. So I just take this and just separate it and attach it to the part that I am crocheting to make it thick to the size that I do want, because at times it just tends to be thin because those, what are they called, the kinky hair, actually after separating, some of the pieces are not so equal. So just do that and just go in with your crochet needle and crochet that down. So this does take a long time, but the results are worth it, because like my last lock extensions, I actually kept them in for 8 months with around 4 wash days and 4 retouches, I think. I have actually videos on that on my channel, so please make sure you watch that. So while you're doing this, just pull the needle through and turn it over. So after you have made your crochet or your lock, you're going to keep on measuring to the length that you want, so that you have locks that have or are the same length. So when I reach almost here, I'm just going to take a lock that I have already made and put it together to see how long I still need to go. So some of the things that I realized is that these locks are pretty like long life, or they can really last you a long time. So with this length, this is actually going to be reaching almost at my shoulder, or they're going to be touching my shoulder, but not way so far or at breast strap length. So this end, I leave some hair which I'll be using to attach on my real natural hair before I use my crochet hook to just like pull them inside the locks. So I'll be showing you guys exactly how I install this set, not the whole set but a few pieces. I'll show you guys how I do that, and I hope this is helpful, because if I can make this hair, guys, you can do this. It will take your time, but at least just do 2 or 3 pieces a day, and then at the end of that you'll have your 80 pieces that you're going to rock for the rest of the year. So these are actually around 20 pieces. Yes, 20 pieces, and they are pretty turning out amazing as I expected them to, because this color and these locks are just so amazing, and I am actually loving them so far. That's why I want to redo another set. So I had mentioned that I'll show you guys the length of my hair once I take out my locks. I was so busy caught up in the festival and the visiting and the family things that happened during Christmas. So I didn't do that, but I just have a few videos and clips that I'll show you after I upload this video. So stay tuned for those. I hope you loved my set of locks. I hope you're going to be here and you're going to watch me rock this throughout the year and mention suggestions on how to grow your hair better in the comment section, because actually that's what I'm looking forward to. And as always, stay safe and keep on watching. Signing out, Beta Fau. Thanks for watching.